Hi guys, now welcome back to my channel and I want to show you this thing. If you install your hard disk on your DVR and you on your camera, you see something like this pop up. You can see that not all local HDDs are initialized. Initialization will erase all data on the disk. Do you want to initialize the disk? You can see. So to do this, you can plug your mouse on your DVR and use it to come here and tap on this yes. So now they will ask you to put the password of your DVR. I will show you how you can create a password if you're trying to activate for the first time. So you come here and put your password, okay? So I'll come here and put my own password. So you tap on the password and you get this keyboard here. So I'll come here and put my own password. So if you put in your password, tap on login. So if you log in, it means that right now you will be initialized. The whole thing will be initialized and your hard disk will start recording your footage. You can see. Thanks for watching and bye.